Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Ink Goddess Creations box for July. This has been a really cool box. I've loved trying it. Read first. This month's box is meant to be an experience for your senses. Explore each item in the box and identify which sense or senses it appeals to the most. The content card is found at the bottom of this box, so after you've gone through everything, you can then read the content card to see how we categorize the items in this month's box. So that's really, really cool. Okay. So I'm going to lift this up. Okay. I'm going to start with this because I know what this is. This is a incense match. I love the smell. So this one's definitely a sense of smell for me. You know, it's visually appealing as well, I guess. Obviously I'm not going to taste it. I can't hear it, and the touch is fine. All right, let's see. So this is crinkly, so loud, so this is for me a sense of sight. It's very pretty. I absolutely love dream catchers. Ooh, and this one's like a chakra one. Very, very, very cool. Oh, it does have a little bit of noise, but only if this is pulled up. So that's really cool. So for me, visual, I like that. I kind of like the texture of this, the pattern with my fingers. So a little bit of tactile. Let me see. So this I love the touch of. Smooth satin bag. I like the sound of the stones hitting each other. Oops. Too much. So this is mica or something. No, it's not mica. It's something. So visual. It's got like a little flash. If you can see that. And this is Labradorite, which I love. So, I mean, and I love the smoothness of this one. So again, tactile, visual, smell, visual. I like the color. Not so much tactile, and it's not like a hearing thing or a tasting thing. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay, this is a little beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. So visual. And so very, very pretty. You are the magic. Wow. I firmly believe that with all my heart. It's Harry Potter. I love it. Very cool. Wow. That's amazing. I've never gotten anything like this. That's amazing. Higher Consciousness Herbal Tea Blend. So I don't like to open these because I'm not a big tea person. I usually regift them. But I imagine it would be a smell sensation. This would be something that you could taste. Visually, I love the look of herbs and dried flowers and teas. And tactile, I don't really, I mean, it's not really a tactile thing. So now this one I am going to open, although I really like the visual appeal of this packaging. And I even like the sensation of it in my hands because of the like matte finish. Journey to Enlightenment Ritual Perfume Oil. Apply to pulse points and breathe in to center and expand your consciousness. Oh, my wrist. I like that. It is apricot, kernel oil, jojoba, sweet marjoram, Roman chamomile, clary sage, lang lang, sandalwood, vanilla, and lavender. Very, very cool. So obviously this is the sensation of smell. Visually, I like the way that it looks. You know, it's not really tactile. I feel the sensation of it, but it's very light and not greasy or heavy. I can't taste it and I can't hear it, but it's still a lot of stuff. Strength. You have courage. You can endure. Find your center and spiral into your power. Yes, ma'am. Will do. I love these. I really need to get these cards. I've seen them around. Witchy ways to activate your senses. So the Eclectic Witch deck, you get a whole bunch every time. Clearing energy with sound, bells, and wind chimes. Enlightenment. Labradorite. Very cool. Love this. I still have to get this deck. Thank you for your Inked Goddess Creations box purchase this month. Here's your early access to next month theme. Kitchen Witch, what's up? Can't wait. Witchy senses. Sight, touch, taste, hearing, smell, intuition. I will say that as far as intuition goes, this gave me the feels and this absolutely gave me the feels. I love that. And then smell always really resonates deeply with human beings because the oldest part of our brain is very close to our olfactory nerve, and the way that we smell is a very ancient part of our brain and our consciousness. And so smell is profoundly important for human beings, and it very much can bring us back to memories, jog our memory, make us feel certain ways. It's very potent for human beings, and that's scientifically proven. Your senses help you connect to and experience the outside world. There are easy ways to weave magic into your daily life through your senses. Take the journey this month to explore witchy ways to activate your six senses. Our shipping boxes and tissue paper are made from 100% recycled material. Our choice to use eco-friendly packaging is our way of helping beautiful Mother Earth. Each month we also choose a charity involved with current events in the world to donate a portion of our box profits. Please see our Facebook page for updates on which charity we chose. Sight. 7 chakra woven suncatcher. It's actually beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Hang this energy suncatcher in your window so the sun rays hit the prism at the bottom and disperse light all over your sacred space. This beautiful tool for energetic alignment combines light energy with the color energy of the 7 chakras. Touch. A raw tumbled labradorite. And a raw and a tumbled labradorite. 2 different textures, helps open your third eye, making the intuition activator as well. I absolutely love Labradorite. It's one of my favorites. Taste. Higher consciousness herbal tea blend, a blend of hibiscus, jasmine, and more. This tea helps activate your taste buds and your intuition. Hearing. Your magical music box. A familiar witchy song plays. The message inside the box reminds you that you hold the power and magic inside of you. This is amazing. Amazing. Love it. Smell. Molly's favorite votive candle. We had our candle maker Molly choose her 4 favorite candle blends to make this box. See which one chose you. From Lucid Dreaming, which is white, Forest Fairy, which is green, Opportunity, which is red, and Word, which is purple. Wow, why Word? I'm interested in that. Incense Matches. Use these matches to light your candles, but once burned out, they turn into mini incense sticks to help clear negative energy. Intuition. Journey to Enlightenment Perfume Oil. Blend of chamomile, sage, lavender, and more to help center and expand your consciousness. And Spiritual Message card from you. 1 card from the Magical Times Empowerment card deck is included in each box as a message from the Spirit just for you. Priceless. Witch's Sense expansion pack from the Eclectic Witch deck. Very cool. I love this. This is a great box. This is one of my favorite new boxes. I can honestly say that every single thing is enchanting, and I'm going to put it to good use. It's amazing. I'm going to leave the link on the description below. It's very, very reasonably priced. This box to my door is $30. So very reasonably priced for what you get, in my personal and humble opinion. And for what it's worth, I mean, I have pretty extensive opinion with a very wide variety of boxes over a long period of time, and this is a really good value. So as always, guys, I love you so much. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned because I am catching up, and so there's so much content coming on my channel. I love you guys so much. Have a wonderful day, and thank you for watching.